morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. What is not there?
My socks.
Your sauce is not there.
Yes.
All right, I'm coming to look for it. So I'm just coming back from my Sunday shopping and it's still on the floor here. I'm going to unpack it. Killian, tell Maeve to come and get breakfast. You two go brush your teeth and come and get breakfast.
Oh.
It's past breakfast time. It's 10 now. You need to have breakfast. So yes, I woke up and went out for shopping. I am back. I'm going to unpack that now. I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my Sunday vlog. This is a Sunday vlog. What are you doing with your Sunday? I know we're on another lockdown. We're not doing anything with our Sunday. Nothing is happening. We're just gonna unpack that. Yeah. So guys, I am done unpacking my shopping and I have given Killian and Maeve their breakfast. And I want to clean my two babies' house. They have become just like my baby. We were supposed to clean it yesterday, but we didn't. So I'm going to clean it today and also check up on them. That is our two babies' house. And their house is very dirty. Look at that. It's absolutely very dirty. So hello. Hiya. Are you guys awake? Are you awake? Go and eat your breakfast, Killian. Hello. Are you awake? Can I clean your house? Okay. I know it's still early in the morning and you just want to sleep. Can I clean your house? I take you out, okay? Yeah. Now you can hide yourself in there. Good girl. Yeah. I clean your house, okay? Now you can stay in here. I clean your house. Now I'm gonna clean that.
Mommy, still doesn't take it. I know, drive isn't burnt. I think it's the apricot.
I bought it today, so I don't know.
Where's your guinea pigs?
Check. I bought it today, the apricot, so maybe your mouth, something is wrong with your mouth. Are you getting sick?
marmalade.
Oh!
That's why it tastes so bad.
I keep wasting my money. That is marmalade, not apricot. Sorry.
Sorry.
Now you have to manage the marmalade for today. That's why it doesn't taste right. It's marmalade. Oh, sorry, babe.
Salted tea.
So guys, after taking out the dirty things, I'm gonna use this spray so we can kill the bacteria and the germs, whatever it is. We spray. Maeve, is both of them under there?
Yeah.
All right.
It's not like Phoenix versus minus one.
I'm gonna give that just a few minutes and then I wipe it all out and we can tidy up and put them back.
Mom, so you know the way you clean the cake?
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna like
Can I have water?
Am I gonna do what, Maeve?
are you gonna bat them?
Today?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You should.
I don't know why this stain is not coming off. I don't know why that stain is not coming out. It's not coming out. Maeve, can you get me 2 more tissue from the kitchen, okay?
Yeah.
Don't know why that stain is not coming out.
Duffy. Come here. Let's see. Wow, that's enough.
Make them comfortable.
Wait, Phoenix is sniffing back.
Yes, that is a clean house. That is a clean house. I'll be happy sleeping in this house. It's so comfy now.
Yeah.
It's so fluffy, so comfy. Yes. My job here is done.
I'm trying to get the guinea pig.
Yes, get the guinea pig back inside your house.
I'll just move it in. Oh, she's trying to go inside now.
My job here is
Close the
done.
door, close the door.
Yeah. I'm happy.
Mommy, did not pee on the sticks?
Do they?
Yeah, the sticks that they buy.
I know. So guys, I'm ready to put them inside. It is all clean. Their food. Hay is also their food. They eat hay and this is their food as well. The other thing is just their bed. Guys, are you coming over here? Phoenix. Both of them are just walking all over the corridor. They're just waddling around the corridor. It's good because they're getting used to us. Before, if you bring them out, they don't want to walk around the corridor. But now they're just...
Mom, very spoiling on the house.
Phoenix, what are you doing?
Trying to get
She's
back
looking for a way to come out. Alright, go on, Phoenix. She's sniffing. What are you doing, Phoenix? Are you coming to go inside your house?
She's sniffing your legs.
I know, she's just sniffing me all over the place. Are you going inside your house, Phoenix? Are you going in? No?
Oh, she's looking for someone.
Violet is under there.
Violet's a little shy.
Hi, Violet. She's the shy one. Phoenix is the crazy one.
And she bit me.
She's always biting. She has beat me twice. Sorry, mate.
Sorry.
Phoenix has beat me twice. She doesn't care. Are you going, Killian? Okay, time to go inside. Guys, are you ready? Are you ready to go inside? Stop biting. Yeah, stop biting the shoe.
Shame on you. That was expensive.
Come on. Are you ready to go inside? Huh? Come on, I put you inside. Because I'm ready to go and get a cup of tea.
Make that too.
We are ready to go have a cup of tea. So come on. Good girl. Good girl. she has run back out. Come on, Violet.
Yay.
Phoenix, are you coming?
Yeah, Phoenix is biting like yours this.
See you guys.
Bye.
See you guys.
Well, eventually they want Phoenix.
Yeah, she's hungry. Look at how they're eating. They're eating so fast.
No.
They're eating so fast. No, 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 no,
Sometimes
no.
they leave their food in their mouth.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Look at how she's chewing. She's chewing so fast. Anyway, yeah, we're done with this. I'm happy. Their house is clean. And I think they're happy as well. See you lot. I'm going to get a cup of tea.
Hey, Mommy.
Hmm?
When you look at Violet's eye,
It's like it's red.
yes.
Yeah. There's a night I came out to pee and she was at this corner and all I can see is red. I forgot there was a guinea pig. I'm like, oh, what is that? But yeah, their eyes are red. See you, babies.
Bye-bye.
I'm going to close it now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Going to have my cup of tea. Our cup of tea. See you. Bye-bye.
You don't need to lock that cage.
Now, Princess Maeve,
Thank you, Madam.
are you coming for your cup of tea?
Thank you, Madam Mommy.
Whew. Now, I need a cup of tea after all I have done.
And I need a cup of tea because I had marmalade on my bread. Now, marmalade tastes disgusting.
Marmalade on your bread.
I was supposed to
Marmalade
buy
on my bread.
I was supposed to buy Maeve apricot jam, and I ended up getting marmalade. I know that I will not hear the last of it today. I did not check the level. I grabbed marmalade instead of apricot jam. So Maeve is gonna tell me all about it today. I'm gonna hear all about it today. Anyway, the thing I ordered from Amazon came. You remember if you saw my vlog where I went to buy them the tablet for homeschooling. I ordered the keyboard and the case for the thing. I'm supposed to order another one, but I was like, okay, let me wait until this one comes. I'm that kind of person that like to see or even test the product and make sure that it's good before I spend more money on it. So yeah, I'm gonna open it and check that it fits very well with the.
If it doesn't, then you're gonna
Well,
see
there's
that.
nothing you can't sue them. You can return it if you want.
Okay.
There's nothing you can do about it really.
So let's see the. Oh, really? So tiny.
It's big. It's not tiny. Yeah, it even has a charger.
Wait,
Is it
why
for
does it need a charger?
the keyboard? Maybe you need to charge the keyboard.
So you have to charge it.
It looks fancy though.
It looks like a lap.
Ooh, it
It
looks fancy.
It looks like a Kindle.
This
Wait,
Is
how
there
do you-
another tab inside there?
No, it's just a case. Oh, I'm definitely ordering another one.
La, la.
It is amazing. Look at that. Give me my laptop. Let me place another order. Hey, now get the tab. Let's see if it fits.
Okay.
Get one of the tab over there. The tab back. Oh, yes. Now, Maeve, we'll place your own order today. Give me the old one because Kieran is getting the first one. Look, does it have a sticker at the back?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. Oh my God, it fits perfectly. Look at that. Look at the keyboard. But it doesn't stand. I was hoping that it stands.
Well, You're just gonna have to lay it down.
No, the point of it is to stand.
Maybe just like maybe a stick and
The
then
point of it is for it to be able to actually stand. We need to charge the keyboard because I think you have to.
charge it.
Oh wow! Oh wow!
Amazing.
Even it lights up.
Beautiful.
It lights up. But why doesn't it stand? I actually want it to stand. You know, that's the point of it. It's for it to be able to stand like this, like a laptop. But apart from the standing, it looks very good, isn't it?
Yes.
It looks really very good. Apart from the standing, like it looks very good.
On the light off.
Yeah, we might need to charge it properly.
Yeah, I'm not sure it just automatically off.
You might need to charge it.
Automatically.
Now that's the way it is, and I like for the fact you can just wrap it up with the tab like this. You know, it is super cute.
It's amazing.
Super cute. It's amazing. So I'm gonna place Maeve's one today. Hopefully it comes by end
You mean
of.
Kieran's one?
No, that's your one. That's Kieran's one. So I'm gonna place another order for your one.
Oh, that's what I mean.
Yeah. You're not getting this one. Kieran is get the next one. Yeah, I'll place another order of this. But why don't it stand? That's what I'm. Is there any way we can stand it? There's nothing. There's nothing else. I was hoping that it can. Yes, we have figured it out. It stands.
That means we don't need Hulk.
It stands. It's good. I like it. I honestly do. I hope it will make the homeschooling a bit easier for you guys. I'm gonna order Maeve one. I'll order Maeve one today. Hopefully she get it by Friday because we got this one yesterday. So hopefully she get it about Saturday. And yeah, that's how it is. I need to figure out how to connect because it's wireless keyboard. So I need to figure out how to connect the keyboard to the tablet. Hopefully there's a tutorial on YouTube about it. So I'm gonna go charge the keyboard because I need to charge it first. I'll charge it and then in the evening we can look at how to connect it to the tablet. So hopefully by tomorrow it's connected. Yes, it's beautiful. I like it. So guys, I edited 2 videos today. I'm actually finished editing. Peace and quiet in the room, just chilling, editing. And yeah, I love when I'm editing. It's my zone. I'm sitting there with my laptop and just, I just want peace and quiet. And yeah, it is around after 4 now. I am going to go and make them dinner. I'm thinking of Slappy Joe today, something easy and quick for us to make. And they like Slappy Joe, so yeah. So we're going to go over and do some Slappy Joe. It's nearly dinner time, yeah. And I'm sad. This Sunday is nearly over. I'm not looking forward for homeschooling tomorrow. But yes, the weekend is over. Yeah, let's go and make our Slappy Joe. So guys, I have cut my onions. That is my ginger and garlic. And that is my tomato. So I'm going to add everything in the blender. And then I would blend it. Okay. So guys, our Slappy Joe is ready, and we are getting ready to dive in and enjoy the Slappy Joe. Okay.
Are you got one?
No. I don't want Slappy Joe.
He's getting Pando.
No, I'm not getting Pando either. I might have something. I'm not hungry yet. I still have a bit of sauce there. So if I want Slappy Joe later, I can get. But for some reason, I'm not hungry yet. So you guys can have your own. So guys, for some reason this evening I am not feeling hungry. Honeydew lemon is what I'm feeling like, and guys, this stuff is so sweet. If you're craving for sugar or sugary stuff, if you're a sugary person and you're craving for sugary stuff, this has a whole lot of sugar, isn't it, Maeve? It tastes so sweet, and also it has a good amount of water, so it's good for hydration as well. So I don't know why I'm not feeling hungry, but this will do for now. I'm going to start getting water ready. Let's go shower, because tomorrow is homeschooling. We go to bed on time today. The kids has finished their dinner. I'm going to go shower. Get water ready for showering. So guys, this is night time. The kids has gone to bed because tomorrow is homeschooling. I'm trying to watch there's this TV series that I'm trying to watch. If I finish that, I will go to bed as well, because tomorrow is homeschooling. So thank you so much, guys. I'm so sad that this weekend is over. We're back in homeschooling tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all on my next one. Bye. And yeah, that keypad for the tab, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. It is good. It is nice. It is worth buying. Anyway, guys, thank you. Bye.